Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to go live on Twitter. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your X app, then after, there you can see the plus sign, tap on it. Here you'll get directly option of go live and post. Tap on go live or post. I'll tap on post. Here you can see the option of camera, tap on it. Here you can see the options of capture, video and live. We are going live, so tap on live. Here you can see what's happening. What is the why are you coming live? Type anything. Then you can also add location over here. They'll ask you to enable your location as well. Then after doing so, on your X account you can go live. Then after, then you have another option as well. Let's go back and see the other. It will directly lead you to going live. What's happening? Write anything. What's your mood? Anything. Type anything. So yes, this is how you go live. And for more details on how you can go live and what you can do in your life, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.